Good morning, guys. It's Monday. Time to go to work. Here is my outfit of the day. And here's what I'm taking with me for lunch. Okay, first of all, beverages. My coffee this morning is 2 Nespresso capsules for 0 smart points. And then I have 4 tablespoons of Dairy Star fat-free half and half for 1 smart point. So my coffee is 1 point. My tea this morning is Teamy Skinny. I have the tea inside. I haven't added water yet. So I have a teaspoon of this Teamy Skinny for 0 smart points. I also added a splash of lime juice. And then when I get to work and I'm ready to have it, I will steep this with hot water and drink it hot. I also have my Teamy Colon out this morning because tonight is a Teamy Colon night. So we're doing a full Teamy detox today. 0 smart points. And then lunch today is going to be at 3 o'clock when I break my fast. So I actually have, this is 2 wraps, yes, but it's mostly coleslaw. I didn't expect it to make so much coleslaw, so I decided to just go ahead and make it into 2 wraps. So what this is obviously the Olay Extreme Wellness Wraps on the bottom. Olay High Fiber, Low Carb, Extreme Wellness Wraps. These are 1 smart point each. And then I have 1 pouch of Bumblebee Light Tuna for 0 smart points. I have some coleslaw and some shredded carrots. I have 1 tablespoon of Banquet Light Mayonnaise for 0 smart points. I have some horseradish mustard for 0 smart points. And then I've got probably about 2 tablespoons of Chobani non-fat Greek yogurt for 0 smart points. So I have 2 tuna coleslaw wraps and they are just 2 smart points. So that is my lunch with an apple. And that is everything I'm having before dinner today. Then is going to be 3 smart points. Okay, I just had to jump on here real quick and share 2 things with you guys. First of all, if you need a big dose of motivation, go watch Anita's channel today, Chit Chat Patty Whack. Watch her video about, do you want it? Do you really want it bad enough? We can all do this, but do we want it bad enough? Do you want to lose weight bad enough? If you want it bad enough, you'll do it, you'll go after it, and you'll get to your goal. But if you want some motivation, go watch that video. Chit Chat Patty Whack. And then I wanted to read something to you guys about how exercise affects our memory. This I find very interesting because I have a terrible, terrible memory. Jog your memory, literally. This is in the WW magazine that I'm reading out of. A short, easy bout of activity could boost your recall ability according to a new study. Young adults performed better on a tricky memory test after 10 minutes of light exercise. Walking works, but so does yoga or Tai Chi, perhaps because movement increases blood flow to 2 areas of the brain responsible for memory, storage, as well as learning. A healthier body, cheerier mood, and now a fog-free mind. Is there anything that exercise can't do for you? That's pretty cool, right? I know I need to boost my brain power, so I'm gonna try and get out and do some exercise today. Okay, it is 7:30. I just got out of a meeting and I am so tired, but I am headed to the gym. I'm still having ankle problems, so I probably won't be able to really run on it, but I'm gonna go and at least walk my 2 miles and just see how it feels. I would like to run a little bit, but I'm guessing that it's really gonna aggravate it a lot if I start running. So I'll probably just walk 2 miles. I might do the rower for 10 minutes, and that's it. I'm tired. I want to go home and make dinner and go to bed. So I just had sugar. I just had a half a piece of cake. Delicious. Worth it. The frosting was so good. I had a half a piece of cake for 7 smart points. So where am I at so far? So that's 7, 8, 9, 10 points for the day. And the recipe that I'm hoping to make tonight is another Blue Apron recipe. It's a cod recipe with farro. So that should be about 10 points. So we'll look at like 20 points for my day, hopefully, and a blue dot. This will be, I think this will be my 7th blue dot in a row. Yay. Angela from Angela My Life, you asked me what lighting I use when I film in the car in the dark. It's just my overhead car light. I just turn my inside car lights on and just film. so that everybody can see me as I'm driving down the street making my videos. That's all, nothing special. Okay, I was able to do 2 miles running, no problem. I ran 2 miles at 5.5 miles an hour, which is my normal speed, and I was just a little tired. I haven't been in the gym for 2 weeks because first I had the flu, and then I had the flu and the sprained ankle, so I haven't been in the gym for 2 weeks. So it was a little tiring, and then the ankle is just a little tired too. Like, I'm probably gonna feel it tomorrow, but that's okay because I was able to run and put all that pressure on it with no problem. It was just tender, and I can't actually make it to the gym for another couple days until Thursday, so that'll give it time to rest and rebuild some more. So yeah, the weird thing is after I ran the 2 miles, I tried to go onto the rower and do some rowing, but because of the way my foot would bend with each rowing stroke, it was hurting my ankle. It was so weird. There was no weight or pressure on my ankle. It was just the fact that the way that it was like bending. Very strange. So I did not do the rower. I decided not to push it, and I'm just very happy that I was able to run. So yay, now it's time to go home and have some dinner and chill. Okay, it's 9:19 and here's my dinner for tonight. So this is another Blue Apron recipe. It is a Blue Apron foil packet cod and farro dish. I don't have any foil, so I did mine a little bit differently. I actually cooked the farro and the zucchini separately, and then I did the fish in the air fryer. So this is basically just farro, zucchini, and garlic on the bottom. And farro is a grain, and the zucchini and garlic is just sauteed, and then all of it mixed together. And then the cod is seasoned with some Tuscan seasoning and lemon slices, and then I put that in the air fryer on the fish setting. And then this topping here is a mayonnaise caper roasted red pepper sauce. So that is where I'm imagining the bulk of the points are coming from, the farro and the mayonnaise sauce. So this dinner is 10 smart points. And the last Blue Apron meal I had was really big, like a big serving. This one, not so much, but I mean, it looks satisfactory, just not as huge as the last one. So this is my cod and farro dish for 10 smart points.